right, so now we're going to use systems of equations to solve a word problem. So Joe has small containers of lemonade and lime soda. She once mixed one lemonade container with 3 containers of lime soda to make 17 ounces of a tasty drink. Another time she combined 5 containers of lemonade with 6 containers of lime soda to produce 58 ounces of another splendid beverage. Given this information, how many ounces are in each small container of lemonade and lime soda? So we're going to start by defining our variables. So we're going to define X as being the ounces in a container of lemonade and let Y be the ounces of in the container of lime soda. So we're going to create 2 equations from that information, and then we're going to graph them on the next screen. So this is just about creating our 2 equations. So what we know, I'm just going to highlight some information above, is that so in the lemonade, she mixed 1 lemonade container with 3 containers of lime soda, and they got a total of 17 ounces. And then we did 5 containers of lemonade with 6 containers of lime to get a total of 58 ounces. So that's going to help us determine our 2 equations. So I'm going to start with that first sentence. So we have 1 lemonade container. So I have 1x, and to that, I'm going to add how many of the lime? Well, that would be 3 of the lime, which we called y. And when I do that, I get a total of 17 ounces. That would be my first equation. My second equation is going to be taking those 5 lemonades, so 5x, plus the 6 containers of lime to get a total of 58 ounces. So that's all you had to do for that slide.